After yesterday, I couldn't wait to come home and do Dao hands to my son, because he's very busy and he travels a lot, and he came from America with flu, and the flu lasts 1 month. He is not speaking. He lost his voice, and doctors can't find any medication for him. And he said that during the night, he can't find second for getting air inside, because it was constantly cough, and he couldn't breathe. As a child, he's got a laryngitis and a lot of like pulmonary and everything, and he's 32 years old now, but it's like coming back to him. And he said that no medication works. So just went home yesterday, and I sit and I said, I'm going to give him Dao hands, blessing. And I did it, and it was too late, because he lives in Prague, so it's 1 hour. It was about 11, so 12 o'clock midnight, I said, I'm just leaving him, maybe he's sleeping, or I don't ask him, and I couldn't wait until morning. And then in the morning here, I just got his message, because I wondered, how is he, how he was sleeping, if he's cough still, he could breathe or not. And he said, Mom, something changed. He said he started to cough, but he's got the phlegms out and he can breathe. And so thank you very much.